Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and I just got a huge order of Spring Florals. It just arrived. It is the largest order I've ever received, so I'm going to go bring it inside, and I'm going to show you what I got. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of work, but I'm so excited to see what's inside. Let's go check it out. I ordered a lot of each item. Ooh, this is the assorted fern pick. Look at these. So this is a mix of different ferns. I love all the textures. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's so pretty. I love greenery and texture, so this is great. These are our mini ranunculus spray. Look how cute they are. I love that they're like a green, white, so pretty. These are a spring berry. Oh, I love these. These add so much texture and just beautiful interest to wreaths, and I love that the stems are really bendy, so they really mix in with the rest of the wreath really well. I love these. They're so good for texture and that color. So perfect for spring, and I think these would look good in fall too. Spring, summer, and fall. It's a great year-round greenery and texture. Look at those. Oh, these are the hellebores. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that detail. They're so pretty. And look how these colors with the berries go so well together. Aren't these so fun? Oh, I love it. These are baby cosmos. I love that yellow. Isn't that so pretty? I love that for spring and summer. This is Nigella spray. Aren't these so pretty? I used to have some of these in my garden in my last house. I love them. They're just such a fun, interesting texture. And I love interesting flowers and textures. This is a laurel leaf bush with berries. And look at how gorgeous these leaves are. They feel very outdoor safe as well. I just love the color, the brightness, and the soft blue and olivey colored berries. So pretty. Oh. Look at these. Okay, these are ranunculus, and look at the color and the detail. They're so pretty. Look at that. I love these. And these are mini ranunculus, and I love that peachy color. It goes with the color of the year in 2024, which is perfect. Aren't they so cute? They're going to add such fun color and texture and detail in my wreaths. I'm so excited. Aren't they fun? Love that color. Such good quality too. Look at that. These are gorgeous. They look so real. So pretty. These are an oregano pick, and I just love them for that beautiful pop of color and interest for greenery. I love the variegated look. Ooh! Oh, I love these. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, they feel good. Fluff them up a little. These are the white blossom spray. I just love these. And the leaves are really nice too. I like that creamy color. So pretty. You guys, I'm super excited about these. You know I have my favorite blueberries and I love them. I decided to get another kind of berry. As soon as I saw these at Allstate Floral's showroom, I had to have them. They look so good in person. I would looked at them online and I didn't know if they would be really nice, but once I saw them in person, I immediately knew I had to have them. Oh, aren't they pretty? I love that they're big, really substantial, so it's different than the other ones I have, and oh, they're so pretty. They look like fresh blueberries. Like, I want to eat them. They look so delicious. My mouth is starting to water, but don't eat them. They're plastic. Oh, it's my tulip bush. If you've seen my tulip tutorial here on YouTube, my tulip wreath tutorial, I use the mini tulip bushes, but I decided to try out some larger tulips this year. Ah, and here they are. They're good. They feel so soft. Look at those. Aren't they so pretty? Just trying something different. Ranunculus. I love these. I got them in a peachy color last year and I thought I'd try this color. The quality is so good and I love that dark, bright fuchsia color. So pretty. It says red. They're not red. These are more of those baby cosmos, but these are a white cream color. These go with everything. This is a mini berry spray with blossom. You may have seen me scanning a lot of these things while I was shopping. I have a video on that here on YouTube. It was so much fun, but these are so pretty. I love the texture. Anything with berries and little flowers, they just add so much interest and texture. I love these. Mini bamboo leaf pick. These are so pretty. I love the color and the texture. So fun. This is another color of those cosmos. So I got this darker yellow, the creamy white, and the light yellow. It's my magnolia picks with the flowers. They look so real. They're so good. Ah! You always have to fan the leaves out a little. That's totally normal. Look at the quality. You've got a big flower. Oh, they feel so nice. And then there's a bud that's not quite open, and then one of those. It just looks so good. Look at that color. It's so pretty. I love these that have the bigger middle. They're so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Such good quality. Cherry blossom. Look at these cream cherry blossoms. So pretty. The quality is so good. Even the leaves are nice. I love it when you have good leaves too. It makes the whole thing just look so much better. I got some wicker wreaths I wanted to try out. Aren't they so pretty? It's got 6 of these. I thought it'd be fun. My sweet bay is restocked. Oh, I love this greenery. Such good quality. Since this is restocked, that means one of my greenery wreath kits is restocked because I was just missing these. So, greenery wreath kit, and there's a tutorial here on YouTube for it. Restocked. Yay! Oh, always on the hunt for the best quality greenery. Look at this. It feels real. This is so good. Isn't that beautiful? Got lots. Ooh. Seeded eucalyptus bundle. Ooh, these are definitely weather resistant. So pretty. Lots of those. I reuse this when I ship my florals, by the way. These are an olive bush. I really like them. I think the berries look really nice. The nice thing about these is these are also available online at Michael's. So they're easy to get and you just have to buy, I think at least 6 at a time. But if you like olive leaves. I really like these. I love these olive leaves. They're so great. Look at that. And I like that it's in this bush because the stems are a little bit shorter. So it's great for wreath making. And that's what we do here. Oh, these are so pretty. These are big. Vintage peony spray. They feel so nice. They're kind of floppy. And I love that these come with a smaller flower and the larger one. They look so real. Look at that. Can you tell I'm loving this color right now? The different shades of pink. Etsy's color of the year is berry. So that's why I've been going with these different shades of pink because it really fits that trend. Plus I love it. So cute. These look real. I think I'm going to put some in a vase on my table. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm leaving one box out of everything. I'm going to put it in my floral room on my floral wall, or use these things to come up with some new kits. And then everything else will be stored on shelves in my garage or wherever I have space. Yes! More greenery. Oh, I love this greenery. It's so pretty and cottagey. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I love that bright green. It's perfect for spring. Oh, I love it. Lots of these. Oh, these are so pretty. It's a rose bouquet. Look at all those colors together. Oh, it's beautiful. So fun. I recently made a heart wreath in my VIP group using a bouquet similar to this. You totally use these too, but I just love these mixes. They come up with beautiful colors that go really well together, different size flowers and some texture. So pretty. Eucalyptus. It says eucalyptus spray, but I like these because they're a different kind of eucalyptus. They're a very good filler. They've got nice stems. Look how pretty they are. I love the color. Oh, it's so good. These are long stems. Rose spray. Yes. Look at these. I love the color. It's like a very, very light pink. They look so real. Such good quality. I love having different sizes. They're going to go so well with the larger things. Look, they go well with these too. So pretty. Love. Ooh, Nigella spray, but a different color. It says lavender, but they look blue to me, and I love a blue flower. These will work for 4th of July too. And spring. Those gorgeous. Love the texture. So fun. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know which item was your favorite. What are you excited to see in a wreath or just in my shop as a stem? I'm going to have a lot of new tutorials and kits coming up here on my channel. Wreath kits to go with the tutorials. So make sure you are subscribed and you have the notification bell turned on so you don't miss it, because my kits do sell out quickly. As you can see, I did order a lot, so I'm hoping to have more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.